Welcome. Let us look at the Nigeria independence as at 1960. On October 1st, 1960, Nigeria got her independence from the Great Britain, and it came with a Lego document called Constitution. That Constitution was negotiated, and it was one of the best documents ever because the well-educated founding fathers negotiated this document with the Great Britain, and the philosophy of their fight for independence was well represented, and which was to give the African man dignity and freedom. It is well said to restore the dignity of man. And that was the Constitution as at 1960-1963. It's called the 1963 Constitution. And we are saying that that Constitution must be restored. And secondly, then regional governance must be restored, and also Fulanization must stop.